Hi, I'm Rare Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. Alright, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at the monthly chart of Bitcoin and USD, and what can we see? So first things first, in the month of May, we can see that we have a resistance line set at 29K and our support line set at 25K. Alright, so looking at this, we need that 25K area to hold going forward within this year. Alright, now it's time for the MACD. So looking at the MACD here, we can see that, hey, momentum is leveling out, indicating that, hey, it's going to be pretty boring for a while. We don't see a strong curve on this blue, indicating that it's trending upwards. Okay, so it just shows that it's leveling out. Let's go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly here, on the MACD, it's indicating that, hey, we are running out of momentum. Why would I say that? All right, if we look left, every time we have this green turn into a lighter green, we can see that, hey, prices came downwards. Okay, so the MACD is a lagging indicator. However, from what I see, it does look like we are going to come down and touch this 25K area. However, I do anticipate that we have a lot of strong buyers coming into the market around this range. All right, now it's time for the indicators. All right, so what do we have here? We have the stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the MFI. So first things first, what do I see? On the stochastic RSI, it looks like, hey, the momentum is still heading downwards. Why do I say that? We have the orange over the blue. We don't see any signs of the blue curving upwards yet on the weekly chart. That's indicating that, hey, this week we could be leveling out here. We do anticipate that price is going to touch this 25K area. All right, let's go down to the daily. On the daily, we are in that oversold territory. We do see that we have the blue over the orange on the daily. However, when we look at this particular chart, with this cross, price was supposed to come up. However, we do see that we had some sellers around this range at 27. So it does look like price is highly likely to come back down and touch this 25K area. All right, so looking at this, what do I anticipate to happen this week? So what we just went over is we do anticipate price to come back down and touch this 25K area that we highlighted. If we look back on the daily, we are in this oversold territory. So we could see people come into the market in the short term and buy the price of Bitcoin. However, I do not see it breaking 27 or 28K due to the weekly candle. All right. Also something to call out, on the 2-week chart, we do have a cross here, which is very powerful. We have a cross here on the stochastic RSI where the orange is over the blue on the 2-week chart. All right, that's something to call out here. This is the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. All right, so I do anticipate this market to be pretty boring for a while. However, if we look at the monthly chart, we do have a cross on the stochastic RSI in the monthly. So something this is a major key I'm going to call out this video and get a horizontal line here. This 48.91 on the stochastic RSI. So this is something to pay attention to at the end of the month to see how this looks. Because usually when the stochastic RSI is above this range and it holds above this range, we can see that prices tend to go upwards. Okay, so that's something to look out for. If we dip below it, we could have a little fake out or shake out, come back and test like a double bottom around that 17, 18K range or even lower. But this is something I'm watching out for. I figured I'd give you guys that gem on the monthly chart. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I'm Rare Crypto. Like and subscribe. If you have any other altcoins you'd like me to review, please let me know, and I'm here to help. Let's go. Rare Crypto.
For the people, financial freedom.